Hello guys, so today my wife is cooking this aloo ka paratha, and she has uh, made this bread and this mashed potatoes masala. Just open it up again. Can you open it up? No? Okay. So in that there are mashed potatoes and what?
Mashed potatoes, onions,
Mm-hmm.
and green chili,
Okay.
and put in the chaat masala,
Okay.
and red chili, red
Yeah.
pepper,
Mm-hmm.
and black pepper, and garam masala. That's it.
And then she has just like wrapped it up, and now she will put it on this, what do we call it, tawa?
Yeah.
Yeah, so there is some oil on it.
Yeah. I put in the oil.
Yeah, and then she will cook it. It's a brief cook. It will be like just for like 3 or 4 minutes, and then it will all be ready. So here she's putting some oil on it, and then she will, after a minute or two, she will flip it to the other side.
Yeah.
This is called what? This is what?
Aloo paratha.
No, this handle is called what?
It's
It's used for like
all kind
it's basically all kind of things,
Paratha or
but yeah, mainly
egg.
it's for cooking on this surface. So now just after a few seconds she will flip it on the other side, and we will see what the other side looks like. So she's just checking. Okay. And she's very strong. She's doing it all by her hands. And look at this side now. This is cooked up, and now the same thing will be happening on the other side, and then this will all be ready, hot and spicy and fresh.
paratha.
Can you show me the masala, the
It's finished.
stuff that you put inside? Oh, it's all finished.
Yeah.
Okay, not a problem.
We make
These are also made, so these are all ready to eat. So if you like our video, please subscribe to our channel Life in Canada. Thank you. Take care.